Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we will show you how to remove and replace battery on Mazda CX-7 that we have right here. As you know, we did engine replacement, all kind of work on that thing, so we have at least, not to say a big word, at least 50 videos on our channel. Feel free to check them out, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, let's grow the channel together. So that's the battery, dead in this one, so we'll need to replace it. We have another one from a parts car right here, that's late 2014, still works really good. We'll show you how to replace it. You need to use the same battery, guys, the same size battery. Make sure you need to lift up, okay, the cap here, okay, for the positive terminal. Now we will need to go ahead and disconnect the negative and the positive, okay, like that, with a 10mm socket. So we're going to just go ahead and pull the terminals out of there now. Okay, like that. Next, what we'll need to do with the 10mm, we'll need to unscrew those nuts a little bit. Okay, like that. We'll pull this one out, one of them all the way out. Okay, and you can pull that metal piece that goes right here. Okay, later we'll show you where it goes when we put it together. Okay, so you can see it comes out like that. And all we have to do, just put it on the side now. We don't need it. So now you can go ahead, always use gloves. Don't ask us why we don't. We'll just go ahead and grab some now. Okay, we grab it, pull it out of there. You can see that's the battery compartment right here. And we'll get the new one, which is actually a used one out of another Mazda. It comes with a little shield that keeps it warm and it's pretty nice. Okay, make sure you install it the right way. Do not confuse negative and positive. We have a video, guys, on our main channel, World Mechanics, what would happen if you put them the opposite way and how to fix that problem. Okay, now we need to go ahead and connect. Okay, connect the mount there. Okay, you can see how it goes. We need to do the same for the other side as well. Okay, and what we'll need to do, we'll need to go under that handle actually, that we just saw. Okay, so we need to disconnect one of those now. Okay, so we'll need to go actually under the handle of the battery, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, and it goes right in the middle of the battery, you see now. And we'll need to get it tight now, evenly on both sides. Okay, we got this one quite a bit now. Okay, that's good on this side now, a little bit on the other side. Okay, perfect. So now the battery is not going anywhere, it's secure there. So we're going to push the handle in. They have different kinds of batteries. Okay, now we need to connect the negative wire and positive, get those tight. Okay, right there. And it's very important to do something now. We're using, okay, let me show you, battery corrosion preventative spray. They sell them for like $1-2. Okay, spray the terminals, that way they will never corrode. You have good connection and you won't be left you know, on the side of the road not being able to start your car. So that's pretty good stuff, and for $1 you can use it probably on 10 batteries, not to say a big word. So that will be, guys, the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.